How to unsend messages on the messenger. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can delete the messages in your messenger application. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all, you have to make sure that your messenger application is updated, and if it is not, what you have to do is go in your app store or the play store that you are using and go on the search and search for the messenger. Now once you're in the messenger, you just have to click on it and update your messenger application. And once you update your messenger application, you just have to go back and open up your messenger app. Now here you have to select the chat in which you want to delete or unsend the messages, and here you have to select the message that you want to delete. You just have to press and hold it, and as you can see that here is the option of the unsend. You just have to click on it. Now here is the two option. One is unsend for the everyone. From here both of the peoples like the other person, and from here the message will be deleted. And unsend for you, in this option only the messages delete from you. So this depend on you that from which option you want to go, and after that you just have to click on it. And here is the confirmation to unsend the messages. You just have to click on the confirmation and click on the unsend, and after that you are able to delete the messages on your messenger application. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.